Okay, another little safety tidbit from Martin Safety Solutions today, and that is how to inspect a retractable lanyard. You know, more and more companies are going to retractable lanyards when it comes to protecting their employees from falls from heights. We're no different. Here is a retractable lanyard. You know, I'm sure you're familiar with them. As you walk around, if you are the worker and you're over 4 feet, you have your lanyard on, you know, and it pays out very slowly. And if you were to take a fall, it stops, it grabs, it has a brake. But as with all PPE, you have to inspect it. We have to be sure that it's, you know, it's good. You don't ever go up high in a climbing event that you don't inspect your lanyard prior to going up. This is your life-saving equipment. So what do you inspect? Well, you want to inspect this carabiner, okay? And of course this carabiner, it has to work. It has two functions, as with everything on a lanyard. It twists, pushes in, make sure that that works really good. This, of course, attaches to the D-ring. You want to inspect your hook. You want to inspect the safety. You want to inspect the gate. You want to make sure everything looks normal about that, that you don't have any paint or JB Weld or epoxy or anything like that in the mechanism that would, you know, that would impede its use. I have gone out to factories and it would stay like that because someone had dripped something in it and you had to take your hand and pull that back out. If you have to do that, this needs turned in. Can't use it, okay? But most especially, you want to inspect the reel and obviously the lanyard itself. How do you do that? Well, you want to pull it out all the way, as far as you can pull out. You may need the help of someone else to pull it out all the way to the end. You are inspecting the entire length of the lanyard. You want to inspect the front, turn it over. You want to inspect the other side of it. What are you looking for? You're looking for mold, mildew, weld spatter, burn holes, deterioration, anything like that. If you see anything like that, pull it out of service. Also, and finally, this is your deceleration device. It's not very long, very short. And the reason that it's very short is you don't need a long deceleration device. You're supposedly not going to fall very far. But it also is an indicator most of the time if an impact has hit this, and it will be a red stripe sometimes on this indicator. If this is pulled out and deployed, you have to turn in your lanyard because that's part of the inspection process. It means it's been under a load, so turn it in. Never wear your lanyard if it indicates any wear, tear, abrasion, hole, or anything that doesn't look right to you. Turn it in.